Hello, in front of me I have CUBOT X19 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on this device. First, let's turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option and tap on the OK to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. So let's press and hold them. And when this menu appears, you can release both buttons. Now let's use the volume up button to scroll through the menu like this and select the Fastboot mode option, then press the volume down button to confirm. And as you can see, our phone entered the Fastboot mode. Right here, it says so. And to exit this mode, we need to press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, basically until it restarts. So let's press and hold the power button. And when you see CUBOT logo, you can release the power button and wait until the phone is done rebooting. And that's how you enter the Fastboot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.